Here you got 1923 Ford Roadster, typical type hot rod, man. Pretty noisy in that sucker, man, with that exhaust flying right by your ear, man. Open air job. And you can tell from this windshield, it's like it's the 23, you know, it's like in the 20s. It's a Model T bucket. It's all been lowered, and this thing would be way the hell up in the air if it was stock. It's a B&M shifter, I guess, or something. Like it's got a switch in here for launching, it looks like. You really ain't got the room in there for a clutch too much. And there's your gas tank.
But the engine is a Chevy. The radiator's a Mustang.
You're saying the radiator's a Mustang, the engine's a Chevy. So you save money on that radiator, man. You don't want to get that original style radiator in this thing. Big bucks. That was smart. Chevy motor, save you money. See that Mustang radiator fit right in there, man. Huh. It's good to go. Once you get that grill in the front, you don't notice what the hell's behind it. Smart. It's good as long as it don't rain. It's too cold. But you know what? This is easier to drive than a motorcycle. I mean, you think about it, right? Motorcycle, you don't even have a windshield, man. You know. So you ride motorcycles in all kinds of weather. You can ride this in all kinds of weather too.
Oh yeah, I met a guy.
By the way, note the see if I can zoom in here.
I lived in Rockport.
Foolproof wiper system, hand activated. That's what you want.